During the 2020 George Floyd protest in Brooklyn, a woman threw a Molotov cocktail at an NYPD van with 4 officers inside. She was given a 6-year prison sentence on Tuesday. Samantha Shader, 29, entered a plea of guilty in April to a federal charge of setting fire to property after turning a bullet bourbon bottle into a mock firebomb on May 29, 2020, and throwing it in Crown Heights in the vicinity of Eastern Parkway and Washington Avenue. The bottle cracked the van's window, but the substance inside, acetone or nail polish remover, according to the feds, didn't catch fire, saving the 4 officers from a burning death. Shader's attorneys were hoping for the 5-year minimum sentence, while federal prosecutors were asking for 87 months in prison. With the 6-year sentence, Brooklyn federal judge Dora Irizarry essentially struck a compromise, but not before igniting some of her own flames. She criticized Shader's court-appointed federal defenders for a number of their arguments and questioned how the attorneys were able to secure Shader, a white woman, 70 hours of therapy sessions for her issues stemming from childhood trauma, while other inmates at the Metropolitan Detention Center cannot access comparable programs. Shader expressed her regret to the judge, the police, and her family prior to being sentenced. "I would give anything to be able to take this all back. I acted improperly and disrespectfully," she declared. "I won't attempt to offer an explanation because I have no justification for what I did." Irizarry stated before giving her sentence that while the public's right to speak out on matters that are important to them is protected by the Constitution, Shader's activities went too far and became violently careless. After pleading guilty to conspiracy to commit civil disorder last year, Shader's buddy Timothy Ammerman, who the feds allege handed her glass bottles, paint, and a hammer to throw at Brooklyn police and counter-protesters, is currently awaiting punishment.